How to use Best Buy, my Best Buy rewards. In order to use my Best Buy rewards, you must first convert your accumulated points into rewards certified, unless you have a Best Buy credit card, which may auto issue them as well. First thing, you have to issue reward certificate, right? So you want to make sure to now basically how it actually works is for every 250 points earned, you will receive a $5 reward credit, and by default a $5 credit is often automatically issued once you reach 250 points. And my Best Buy credit card membership can choose to bank point to save them for a large future purchase instead of having certified or certificate auto issued. And what you need is to redeem them. You just want to log into your bestbuy.com or your app, and you can use this during a checkout procedure. Look for offers, reward, or payment sections, and select the certified or certificate you wish to use, and they will be applied as a discount to your total order. And that is simply how you're supposed to use my Best Buy rewards. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.